So hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Your Universe. So today I have ordered something for our channel. The first time I have brought something regarding to this channel, particularly for this channel. So quickly we'll just do an unboxing of this thing. This is something for this channel, especially for this channel. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, a bubble wrap, so we can have a good time pass with this bubble wrap. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So where is it really from? I have got this little scissor that's quite small. Okay, so we can put this thing out and see what's so this is it. I ordered a tripod stand for our channel so that I can record videos with my phone. I just have a phone with me. I don't have any particular camera, so I'll be just doing this with my phone. And let's open it up. So this is this little cute tripod stand that is flexible. Okay, that is quite flexible and it can stand anywhere, just like that, and we can just use it to record videos on this channel. So I'm just done fixing it. So it finally looks like this. So as simple it is, just like that. So it can be bended, so I can use it on like this, or a straight one with those straight legs. I can use it like that, and I can even lower the border like that. So yep. So this was the most cheapest tripod stand I have ever seen. That cost only $3. And what do you think about this tripod stand? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you like the video, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tech videos. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then.